영어단어, 짧은 문장으로 통째로 익히기, 시작합니다.
Quality, quality,
quality, quality,
질, 소질, 품질.
They wanted the very best quality.
그들은 단연코 최고의 품질을 원했습니다.
She acts well but she hasn't got star quality.
그녀가 연기는 잘하지만 스타가 될 자질은 없습니다.
We vouch for the quality of our products.
우리는 제품의 품질을 보증합니다.
The price depends on the quality.
가격은 품질에 따라 다릅니다.
They wanted the very best quality.
She acts well but she hasn't got star quality.
We vouch for the quality of our products.
The price depends on the quality.
Quantity, quantity,
Quantity, quantity,
양, 분량, 다량.
A huge quantity of oil has leaked.
많은 양의 기름이 유출되었습니다.
It's cheaper to buy goods in quantity.
상품은 다량으로 사는 것이 더 쌉니다.
I prefer quality to quantity.
양보다 질을 택합니다.
His potential is still an unknown quantity.
그의 잠재력은 아직도 미지수입니다.
A huge quantity of oil has leaked.
It's cheaper to buy goods in quantity.
I prefer quality to quantity.
His potential is still an unknown quantity.
Planet, planet,
Planet, planet,
행성.
The comet made a big impact on the planet.
혜성이 행성에 큰 충격을 주었습니다.
The Earth is a good example of a water planet.
지구는 물 행성의 좋은 예입니다.
It is nicknamed the Red Planet.
그것은 붉은 행성이라는 별명을 가지고 있습니다.
The planet did not have a name yet.
그 행성은 아직 이름을 가지고 있지 않았습니다.
The comet made a big impact on the planet.
The Earth is a good example of a water planet.
It is nicknamed the Red Planet.
The planet did not have a name yet.
Engage, engage,
Engage, engage,
관여하다, 종사하다, 약속하다.
I do not engage myself in such affairs.
나는 그런 일에 관계가 없습니다.
I can't engage for such a thing.
나는 그런 것을 약속할 수는 없습니다.
He is engaged in foreign trade.
그는 해외 무역에 종사하고 있습니다.
She didn't want to engage in conversation.
그녀는 대화에 끼어들고 싶지가 않았습니다.
I do not engage myself in such affairs.
I can't engage for such a thing.
He is engaged in foreign trade.
She didn't want to engage in conversation.
Advantage, advantage,
Advantage, advantage,
유리한 점, 유리하게 하다.
His height gives him a clear advantage.
그는 키가 커서 확실히 유리합니다.
It would be to your advantage to attend this meeting.
이 회의에 참석하는 것이 당신에게 유리할 겁니다.
It has the advantage of cheapness.
그것은 싸다는 이점이 있습니다.
It is to your advantage to do so.
그렇게 하는 것이 당신에게 이익입니다.
His height gives him a clear advantage.
It would be to your advantage to attend this meeting.
It has the advantage of cheapness.
It is to your advantage to do so.
Concrete. Concrete.
Concrete. Concrete.
구체적인, 굳어진, 콘크리트.
Her plan is very concrete.
그녀의 계획은 매우 구체적입니다.
We had to set our plan in concrete.
우리는 계획을 확정해야 했습니다.
You need to explain it in the concrete.
당신은 그것에 대해 더 구체적으로 설명해 줄 필요가 있습니다.
Concrete is a mixture of sand and cement.
콘크리트는 모래와 시멘트를 혼합한 것입니다.
Her plan is very concrete.
We had to set our plan in concrete.
You need to explain it in the concrete.
Concrete is a mixture of sand and cement.
Concise. Concise.
Concise. Concise.
간결한, 축약된.
He gave a concise account of it.
그는 그 문제를 간결하게 설명했습니다.
In speaking, one should be clear and concise.
말할 때는 분명하고 간결하게 해야 합니다.
I was giving clear, concise orders.
나는 분명하고 간결한 명령을 내리고 있었습니다.
To be concise, no one knows.
축약하자면 아무도 모릅니다.
He gave a concise account of it.
In speaking, one should be clear and concise.
I was giving clear, concise orders.
To be concise, no one knows.
Summary. Summary.
Summary. Summary.
요약. 개요. 요약한.
The following is a summary of our conclusions.
다음은 우리의 결론을 요약한 것입니다.
This note is a summary of the subject.
이 노트는 과목을 요약한 것입니다.
Just give me a summary.
간단히 말해주세요.
In summary, the results were good.
요약하자면, 결과는 좋았습니다.
The following is a summary of our conclusions.
This note is a summary of the subject.
Just give me a summary.
In summary, the results were good.
Hasty. Hasty.
Hasty. Hasty.
서두른. 성급한.
Let's not make any hasty decisions.
성급한 결론은 내리지 않도록 합시다.
It was hasty of me to do such a thing.
제가 그런 짓을 한 것은 경솔했습니다.
Don't make a hasty generalization.
속단하지 마세요.
She soon repented of her hasty marriage.
그녀는 서둘러 결혼한 것을 곧 후회했습니다.
Let's not make any hasty decisions.
It was hasty of me to do such a thing.
Don't make a hasty generalization.
She soon repented of her hasty marriage.
Excel. Excel.
Excel. Excel.
뛰어나다. 탁월하다. 능가하다.
I tried to excel in my studies.
나는 학업에 앞서려고 노력했습니다.
Is there anything you don't excel at?
당신이 못하는 건 뭐예요?
I think that I can excel in both.
저는 둘 다 잘할 수 있다고 생각합니다.
Fortunately, it's something I excel at.
다행히도 그것은 제가 잘하는 것입니다.
I tried to excel in my studies.
Is there anything you don't excel at?
I think that I can excel in both.
Fortunately, it's something I excel at.